this out. Note in, oh shit. Yeah, let's see what this says. I thought it said not inside. Oh shit. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Kind of looks like my brother's handwriting. I guess I should have did a bit off the camera, huh? Whoever finds this, call me. I don't know, guys. Someone watching this, can you do me a favor and please comment down below if this is a polk plant or not? Because I have not seen one in forever. I don't see any berries, but it's still young. I don't know. Y'all let me know what it is. Here, right where I found this note at. Look down. Thought it was a Stella Artois. Artois, however you say it. But it's a Lone Star. And it's a nice one too. Too bad it's all beat up. Flattened. That would have been perfect to go in my collection. I got a 6-pack of these. Still got the original cardboard casing on them. I found them in an old barn. Never been opened. But this one, somebody sat down here by the water and drank it. Yeah. Let's see what else we can find out here. You guys go. I just dug up a couple of cans. I'll show you this one first. Make a couple of y'all feel old. Along with me. Who remembers these? Always thrilling. Always Coca-Cola. I wonder if they'd still accept this discount for Six Flags. Probably not. Well, a Pepsi Clear. Just think, how many years ago somebody sat out here, probably fishing at this creek, and drank them. Well, I'm down in the creek now. Seeing what all I can find out here. I found a couple of pieces of worked flint. And I want to show Aqua Chigger. Yeah. Found a lot of ammonites. I know you said your wife likes them. I found a couple in here, but I know a spot where there is a crap load. I mean, more than you can even imagine. Give me a shout sometime and I'll hook you up with directions. Look. Look. First pair of shades. I could do this without. Oh. Oh wow. I forgot it keeps recording. Hold on. Let me get situated and get down in here. Ah, they're broken. Huh? Just surrounded a little bit of something here. Alright. Turn you off, turn you back on when I find something else. I want to show y'all where I'm at. There. Man, that's a big drop off. Really want to search that. A couple of yards in front of me is where a train station used to stand. Let's go over there and see what we can find. Alright, you guys. That is it for me. I am freaking... Man, this is a really, really long walk. And it's hot. Have I mentioned already? It's hot. I haven't really found anything. I think this train station dig, or at least look on top of the ground, because I don't think I'm going to be able to dig down in all those rocks over there. But yeah, I didn't even get my nose. I just almost stabbed myself with my knife. I hope y'all enjoyed the adventure. I mean, at least get out of the house. Well, spend time out in places like this. I'm not even sure if I'm... Hold on, close up. Not even sure if I'm supposed to be here or not. So, hold on. I'm gonna check this real quick, because it looks like... It's not. Almost looks like mint. No idea what it is. Alright guys, I'm gonna head on up to my car. Look around. Find a couple of little spots I can come back to. Get home, edit this, post it. Catch y'all then. Alright guys, I'm gonna get this real quick before my phone dies. Got me some shades. Finally some cool ones. I lied. It's actually my second pair. Got this little, what I thought was a Lego, but it is an American Bricks. Never heard of those. I'm gonna have to look that up and see. This kind of threw me off for a minute, and then I got it cleaned up, and it looks pretty new. So, yeah. Don't know. It's part of a tractor or something. I believe this is part of one of the things the city uses to cut or something. Probably for a tractor. A brand new grinding wheel. It's underneath the aqueduct. And then check these guys out. These were down in the water. You can clearly see that they've been napped. There was tell you what, man, those are pretty. Sorry, took my breath away for a minute. But I'll give you all a brief rundown of history real quick on where I found all of this stuff. Those are the finds for the day. Not too much intriguing or interesting. Just some random iron and rocks. But yeah, on to the history.